In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicator inside of GoCharting. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to GoCharting.com and open up the charts. I'm using Bitcoin USD for this demonstration. Now, once we're here, we need to click onto the top tab that says Study. So click on the Study, which is basically indicators. And now from here, we can search for our indicator if you got one in mind. So we can do a search or we can manually find it. So I want to look at candle patterns, click into that, and we got all these different kind of candle patterns. We can add as an indicator on these charts. We got financials, futures and options, momentum. So for this demonstration, if I want to add a futures options or financials, I could do a ACC income balance sheet on this indicator. Or we can do a candle pattern. We can do all bearish, all bullish. And then these indicators are going to appear on your chart as you add them into this chart.